And come on, swimming boy. Calvin is swimming. What a big boy. Good boy.
All right,
Good boy. Yay. Good boy. Good boy. Come on back. What are you doing? Come on. You want to do it again? Come on. Get back in. Put him over that side. Come on, you. Oh, look at that baby swimming like a big doggy. Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
Yay. Want a chewy? Let's have a chewy. Look, I got a chewy. Here it is. Come and get it. Careful. We're going to do it again. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy, Calvin.
He's going to do it again. Come on, buddy. Where are you going? Don't get my shoes. Come on, buddy. He was eating something over there earlier. It was like a fruit rind or something. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, big boy, swimming like a big boy. Get a chewy? Chewy? Get a chewy. No? Okay. Yay! Good boy.
Good boy, Calvin.
Yay! How do you turn it off? So it will save.